Welcome to my channel and thanks for clicking my video. I am Anil and let's start the video. In this video I will show you how to make bus topology using Cisco Packet Tracer. So let's begin. Now we are taking 2950T switch. Now we have to take end device. Now we are connecting copper straight wire switch to end device. Now we are taking copper cross wire. If device are same, then we have to take copper cross wire like this. So this is done. Now we are giving IP address to end device. Sorry, 2 dot 5. This is the last one. 10.0.0.4. It is completed. Now we are checking sending message F0 to F2 successfully. PC0 to PC2, PC1. Yeah, it's done. So if you want more video, please do subscribe my channel and also like.